Welcome to AlloyGator. Today we'll cover important aftercare information to ensure your AlloyGators perform at their best. If you notice your AlloyGators coming loose without any impact, visit your installer for an inspection. Avoid using excess tyre shine to maintain the integrity of your AlloyGators. Regularly check your tyre pressure as per your vehicle's manual to ensure optimal performance. AlloyGator is made of tough nylon designed to reduce curb damage on impact. Please note, it is not a guarantee of damage prevention. We offer a 1-year warranty covering colour fading or deformation not caused by impact or installation. For more tips and information, visit our website. Thank you for choosing AlloyGator.